We have a very impressive master plan, the best master plan ever put together since this country got independence. It's a master plan that has set targets on where we want to see Kenya in terms of sports and arts facilities. And when you look at that master plan, it tells you what we want at the international standard, what we want at the regional standard, what we want to see as community facilities. All that is covered very, very well.
The Kenya Defence Forces KDF are set to begin extensive renovations of the country's top stadiums after receiving approval from the cabinet on Monday. The project, whose budget has not been made public, involves renovation of Nyayo Stadium, Moi International Stadium Complex, and the Kipchoge Keino Stadium in Eldoret. It is part of the Sports and Art Infrastructure Master Plan that involves the construction of a 60,000-seater Talanta Sports Complex at the Jamhuri Sports Complex in Nairobi. On Monday, a dispatch from the cabinet said the approval of the construction and renovation projects of facilities hosting the Africa Cup of Nations AFCON 2027 was aimed at elevating Kenya's standing as a sporting powerhouse. The cabinet said that the signature project under the initiative will be the proposed Talanta Sports Complex, a 60-seater football stadium featuring world-class training, pitches, an arena, and a commercial hub named the Hustler Bazaar. The cabinet further said that the improvement of the standards of the mentioned facilities was meant to meet the Confederation of Africa requirements, the CAF. Kenya is currently in the midst of the ambitious effort to build stadiums across various parts of the country with the goal of positioning itself as a competitive sports destination while fostering talent development. The projects have been hailed as a significant step forward in improving the country's sporting infrastructure, providing athletes with the state-of-the-art facilities, and offering communities spaces for recreational activities and events. However, despite the lofty goals surrounding the projects, the construction of stadiums in Kenya has become a controversial subject. Controversies over delays and deliveries of underwhelming facilities have mirrored the implementation of these initiatives. Many of the projects have fallen significantly behind schedule, leading to frustration among the public. What do you think about these renovations? I want us to have a conversation, but before then, allow me to appreciate my members, the people who have been here supporting this channel from day one. We have Mr. Morris, we have Asman, we have Abdul, Cyrus Sisi, we have Louise, we have Osman Kone, we have Sly, and many more. So guys, thank you so much. I really don't take your support for granted. Thank you so much. Continue supporting me. And for those who haven't joined, for those who haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly take 1 minute, subscribe, like this video, share it to your friends. So without wasting much of your time, let's have a conversation. Let me know what you think about these renovations. And let's do this. Let's do this, guys.
Ratazaga, Mateva Yoto, Ratazaga, Ompana Kelehepi Kimarato, Ompana Kikloa Kimarato, Lezaka Kimarato, Lenyoko Kimarato, Lezaka Kimarato, Lenyoko Kimarato, Warata Orate Zaga, Warata Orate Ratanyo. Ompana Kelehepi Kimarato, Ompana Kikloa Kimarato, Lezaka Kimarato, Lenyoko Kimarato. Sema tandwe. Sema tandwe.